Assalamu Alaikum Warahmatullahi Wabarakatuh to all of my lovely friends and family. I hope you're all in the best state of health with sound Iman. Welcome back to IWHAT Eating Kitchen. In today's video, Bihidinillahi Tahaallah, I'm going to be showing you how to make this lovely, tasty, unique sausage roll baked. So let's begin. Bismillah. First, let me share with you the ingredients that I'm going to be using in today's baking. 400 grams of mini sausages, 200 grams of cabbage, 200 grams of Leicester cheese, 200 grams of cheddar cheese, 200 ml of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of mixed herb, 1 tablespoon of chili flakes and 1 tablespoon of ginger powder. And I've got 1.5 kg of ready-made dough. The tools that I'll be using in today's cooking is KitchenAid Artisan Cook Processor. Next is to add the vegetable, season and spice into the pot. Follow it up by adding the cheese. The cheese was cut into cubes before adding. Then follow it by adding the yogurt. When that is done, the mixture is blended together. You then set this aside while you make your dough. I'm using leftover dough from meat pie. If you would like to know how the dough was made, a link will be added to the description section. Check it out. Anyway, the dough has been divided into 4. That is 1 part on the rolling mat. Add little bit of flour. This will enable you to roll the dough easily. After rolling and making sure that the dough is smooth, you cut the first part into 2 again. Keep rolling until you are able to flatten the dough. This will take about 1 to 2 minutes. The dough should be less than 1 centimeter thick. Next is to cut it between 6 to 7 pieces. Then we start taking it one by one. We roll and add some mixture to it. After adding the vegetable and the cheese mixture, next is to add in the sausage. After we finish rolling everything, next is to start arranging it to the oven tray. You can use any oven dish of your choice, but what I'm using is Paris baking dish. Once the arrangement is being done, you press the dough down with your hand. Next is to egg wash the dough. 1 egg is enough to do the job. Also, don't forget to use fork to poke the dough before applying the egg. Also, preheat the oven to 350 degrees and bake between 25 to 30 minutes. Bring it out, add some sesame seed or any seed of your choice, or you may decide to leave it plain. Also, additional cheese can be added, or you may decide to leave it. Those two are optional. Put it back in the oven and let it bake for additional 10 to 15 minutes. Tips: you can add the seed before starting to bake, or if you are not using the seed or you are not adding additional cheese, it's better you bake it straight for 40 minutes. Alhamdulillah, ala kulli ni'mat. Our sausage roll is ready and it's time to taste. Mashallah, tabarakallah. It tastes lovely. Jazakumullahu khairan for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And please don't forget to like, share, and comment. All this put together really help our channel to grow, and we do appreciate all your support. With this, I leave you in the care of Allah Subhannahu Wata Ala. Stay blessed and safe with lot of love from IWHAT.